Hello and welcome to another Monkey Makes 3D modeling tutorial in Blender. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, because it helps the channel pop up in searches. And here we go. Okay, so go to sound on the number pad. Images on. I have noticed this as we try to add these cuts for the light. The corner of the edge, it's just too rounded. By the looks of that as well. I'm going to see what these look like pulled out here. Don't need to do this at the moment. I feel they might look like a bit of a pig's ear, but slide these out. One. Right, fingers crossed. Just ignore that for now. That'll be sorted. Right, so you see this is basically not sharp enough, so if we do a Control R for an edge loop cut, there we go, that one. Put it through there. Deselect them ones on the left. And if we move these to a J, X, use your cursor key and go to the right just a little bit. Now, same again, G. This time we'll do a Z, up, use a cursor key. It's like a bit of a wobble there, doesn't it? Slide that back. Alright, I think this looks a little bit low also. So, G and Z. Move them up slightly. Just to keep that nice curve going. And this is going to be the guide. So when we create the actual part, it'll snap any verts to this, so it doesn't matter how many holes you go into it, it's still going to look good at the end. Right, so I think that looks a lot better there now. Okay, well, let's put a blinding mat cap on. Oop, there we go. Mat cap. Yikes. Yeah, so it all looks good and smooth. Back to studio. Oh, refresh your eyes, couple of blinks. Oh, very blinding that mine, isn't it? Okay, right, so what we'll do is we'll do a F2, rename. There's going to be the guide, so give the word guide and front. Creativity's great, isn't it? How you come up with these names, I do not know. Also, we need to move, so what we can do here is we can either create new collection with this one. See how it's, yeah, so we need to drag that into that one. need to make sure it doesn't show up in renders. Just double click on it and change that to guides. So we should have duplicated it first, but never mind. Shift D. Enter. Rename that. Let's call that one front. M to move, to put that back in the main folder there. Let's have a check that front end. It still seems a little pointy. Right, let's see. By pointy, I mean this bit here. Seems a little severe. Can we go ahead with that, really? Yeah, I mean, there's a bit of an angle there. It's kind of disguised by the holes being cut into it and the kneecap around there. So we'll just go with that. Right, so back in here with Latin is hidden. So if we go to 7, that image is back on. I don't know why I turned them off. There's a difference here as well. What on earth's going on there? Begin to think that this needs to go to the right a little bit, and then maybe we'll need to space these out over to the side. Anyway, tell you what, I'll try it just to make sure. I'm not sure. I thought that was centered. Yeah, see that little gap there? Compared to that gap there, it does look like it needs to go to the right a little bit, unfortunately. So G and X. Oop, other way. There we go. What difference has that made? It's made it more. Blueprints. You've gotta love them. Can't really go ahead with that, can we? Right, tell you what. Unfortunately, delete that one. Adjust this one a little bit. That had another edge cut in there. Actually, it could have been 2, so we'll just do Control B to bevel. Right that up. That. Highlight and 2. PG to slide. Go. Up a little bit. G. Get it down a bit. Let's do the same with these just to get some nice topology. Oops. Right click there. PG. There it goes, follow that curve round. It would be better if we could fill this gap here a little bit more, but no, we'll see. I'm curious about this bit at the side here, you know. Let's see if we pull this over. What does that do at the top? See, it's the wrong one. This one. Wrong one. Bit puzzling, this one, mind. Tell you what. Let's highlight them also. Doesn't look like it's following that line there. Oh, right. Seems a little high also. Actually, that goes up at that point, doesn't it? Yeah, that's okay. Tell you what, bring that one down a little bit. Just need to get them nice curves of the Ferrari. Cool. Over here, what we could do is go into 2-4 edges. Highlight them. Put a increase on there. One and that one. Just it. So it squares them ends off. So what do we do about this since it looks so far out? Man. Right. Right. See if we can change this GX. Move it slowly. One. Highlight them. Not them. And move them out to the side again. Just so it fills that in. Like so. Well, I didn't expect this episode to go this way, but there we go. Save that image so they can't be selected again by accident. Just like do a quick Control S, save. So what I might do is, just in case, I'm going to do a save as. It's been that long since I've done this one. Yeah, mate. Now let's stick a plus on there, so I'll go to F41 now. Save as. Just in case I change my mind and go back to the other one, you see. Okay, then so I'll leave it at that, and then we'll start on putting the lights in and then vents on the. Is it a hood or a bonnet for an Italian car? Right, catch you in the next one.